Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Your name is?
Kimberly.
And today we're going to be looking at the Fisher-Price Little People train set. And I believe this is the second version. There's one with a different colored nest in the chimney here. And I think it comes with like a bushel of apples or something. I'll try and put a picture on there. All right, so what do we have with this train? Who's this?
The train guy.
The train driver? Yeah, the train guy. So we got a conductor. He's called a conductor. He sits here. This thing is really noisy too. What is this?
A monkey.
A monkey, that's right. A monkey. Or a gorilla. They go on the back. What's this one?
A polar bear.
Yeah, it is. Polar bear. And he goes in the back. I guess we should show him the conductor too. Here's the conductor again. He sits on the front. So what happens whenever you push it?
It's loud.
Yeah, it is. It makes a lot of noise, doesn't it? So we'll push it.
I'm going to turn this back.
Alright, so that's what happens whenever you push it. But there's a button. This is a little egg nest. You want to push that? Here, push it. Honk, honk. Makes a little honk, honk. There is... You can just honk it to stop that. There is no on-off switch on the bottom, and there is no volume switch. So this thing is just loud without any way to turn it off other than taking out the batteries. The bed of the train also has a little pressure plate in it, so it makes those animal noises. What was that? Is that an elephant?
Yeah.
Yeah. The gate on the end here, it doesn't open or anything. It's just on there. None of these other parts come off. Nothing else moves but the wheels. But that is the Fisher-Price Little People Zoo Train. All right, what do you think of it? Do you like it? Yeah?
Oh, loud.
Yeah, it's a real pain late at night whenever you accidentally kick this and they're trying to sleep. Yeah, yeah. All right, you want to say bye?
Hi.
Bye.
Okay, can we put the monkey back on there?